Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I've been trying to do this video for like the longest time now, and I'm finally having the time to make it. So I was in Florida for vacation like months ago, and I have a little vlog that I want to show you guys first, and then we're going to do the unboxing. I went into the Gucci outlet and I really wasn't expecting to like buy anything, just because I had recently placed an order for that LV backpack that I showed you guys. So I was like, I'm not going to buy anything, but let's just go in and see what we find, what things they have, if they really have sales. So I went in and I found something that I just had to have for like the fall and winter time. So let's go ahead and get on with the vlog part, and then I will do the unboxing at the end. This is the room that we're going to be staying in. It's so nice. Look how beautiful this bathroom is. When I get a hotel, like, it's important for the bathroom to be clean and nice and big. So there's that. And then it has like your double vanity. The bedroom. And then in here it has like this little closet and a little vanity to get ready, so you don't have to make a mess in here. My mom made this, so I like sprayed it all over the room before, you know, putting any of our stuff down. And then the balcony is pretty big too, so you can actually go out. You can go out through here, and then you open this up, and then you see the rest of the living room, and it has like a little kitchen, the little table. That was the door to the bathroom, and then the little TV. Has a little desk. And then here's the other door to go outside to the balcony. And the balcony is pretty spacious. This resort is really nice. I really like it. They have a second pool, which is over here, and then there's this one here, and that's like the little bar area. And then you can play like chess over there. The seats and umbrellas, they're very far away from each other, so as you can see, those are folded so nobody can sit there. The cabanas are over there. It's pretty empty, so I like it. This is the second pool, so you can't, you know, make a lot of noise here. And then the other pool is on that side, which is the one that you can see through my balcony. And then the bar is right there. I'm at the Gucci outlet, and they have really cool things. I love these, but they don't have my size. To unboxing it. So here's my little Gucci bag. So this is what I bought you guys. It's this beautiful Gucci bag, and let me take this off. Look how stunning this gray is. I fell in love with everything about this bag. It's just a really cute shape, and it has a chain. I love bags with chain, and I actually don't wear a lot of silver. I wear gold, but the price point for this bag was perfect for the amount of use that I'm going to get out of it, because I didn't want to spend a lot of money on a silver chain bag. So I think I paid like $1,300 for this, which was a really good price. Like I said, I got it at the Gucci outlet. So if I can find the name of it, I will link it down below. But I love this bag. It's so pretty, and I love the shape of it. I love the little handle here, and the strap also comes with this for your shoulder. That way it doesn't bother you if you carry a bunch of stuff with you. The inside of the bag looks like this. It has 2 pockets here, and then it has 2 smaller ones there, and then it has a zipper pocket right there. So I'm actually going to put things in my bags just so you can see what all fits in there and how it looks on too. So I'm going to start off with my hand sanitizer. So it's going to go in here, and then I also carry a cuticle pen with me because I wash my hands and put a lot of sanitizer on, and so my cuticles get really dry, so I'm going to put this in there. And then I have a lotion that I always carry with me that will go in there too. And my sunglasses, they usually change depending on my outfit, so we're just going to use these, and I never carry like a case with me, which is like, I know I should, but I don't. So that is just going to go in there. And because this is a smaller purse, I'm just going to use this little small wallet here. So I'll have that in one of like the little pockets there. And then I have my gum, put that in there too. And my lipsticks always change. So today I have this Smashbox, and I'm also wearing this Anastasia liquid lipstick. So those 2 will go in there too. And then I always carry a pen with me, so that will go in there. And then there's a lip gloss. It's one of my favorite ones. It's the Kopari lip gloss. That will go in there. That's pretty much everything that I carry, like if I'm out on the weekends. You could throw more things in here because I still have the other front pocket like completely empty. But look how this looks. See, it has a lot of space, and I'm super obsessed with this bag. This is what it looks like on you guys with the chain, and it's a really nice bag for like going out on the weekend. And if you don't want to carry it with the straps, they are removable, so you can just take these off and then carry it like this. So that is everything for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing, and I will talk to you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.